No, he's not plowing. He's just driving through it. Look at the radio, it won't even go on. See, cars have been traveling this road, that's why there's grooves. But I'd still be able to go through it because of the four-wheel drive.
Look how thick now.
Yeah. I think Matthews Road should be better. Probably could have went up to South Avenue on Midlothian, but that's okay. I promise you I will not get stuck. We will not get stuck, Baba. But I will come back. I'm not going to come back down this road. I'm going to go down Youngstown Pullman Road. Unless I decide to go to the freeway. I'll see if there's cars moving pretty good on the freeway. I'll probably go the freeway. I just won't drive that fast because then you slide like crazy.
Do you remember that you know what happened to in Virginia that time? They were stuck in 24 hours or 15 hours in the highway.
Right. 15 hours. Tony said more than that in some areas. Look at this. Oh, man.
Yeah, I don't think they plow here.
No, they didn't. They did not plow. No.
There is no piled off snow.
No. If they did, it wouldn't be this high, Baba. It might have some on the ground, but not this high.
But this is a 14, 15 inch, I think.
Yeah, at least.
15 inch of snow. I see car. Is it car? Yeah. That's a snow plow? No.
Yeah, it's probably a plow.
No, it's a car.
There's a car up ahead moving.
And it's still coming. The snow. It's hard to see.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there will be no school today. School will be out today. Yeah. I'll listen to the weather. I'll get out and shovel some more and get that cleaned up. Let me kind of stay on the tracks so I don't have to fight. Oh, you know what? I'm going to move over because this car is coming. I'll just drive over here.
There's something up there.
See the trucks with four-wheel like us.
I mean, there's
See,
something
he's
in
plowing. He's plowing.
there. You get stuck there. Somebody's stuck there.
Well, I don't know what to tell him. We'll go around.
Or maybe it's a plow or a truck.
Oh, there's a plow there.
And they started to plow on the plow.
Yeah. Oh, I know what it is. He's got this thing he uses to plow the driveway.
Oh,
Okay. See, that's what that is.
Somebody blowing snow.
Yeah, it's snow blowing. Now see, he's putting it in the road, and he shouldn't do that.
Oh my goodness, just us? I feel like we're going back home. Our gas is full, right? Yeah, this yesterday.
Huh? Yeah, we're full tank.
Maybe the state takers of this road here.
Now we'll see if they plowed Matthews. Nope.
But
It's
I
just a
think
lot of traffic.
they plow.
No,
See?
they did not
There's
plow.
a pile here.
No, that's
it's
from the
not.
driveway.
That's from the driveway.
Yeah, they did not plow. No street lights either.
Honestly, Baba, people that I don't think people, or a lot of people work today.
Well, do you think they'll be open?
I don't know. I will try to. We will.
If they're open, then you stay and you work.
Yeah.
Okay. If not, I'll wait and make sure that you know.
Okay. You don't go right away.
No, I'll wait.
They,
Oh, wait.
at least they put salt in here. You can tell, right?
No, there's no
The
salt.
salt in here.
Nah, they won't. With the snow this high, they won't put salt. You know why? Because it'll melt and freeze. Oh, cars are moving pretty good on the freeway. I know they got that cleared off,
Yeah.
and I'm willing to bet they'll probably have South Avenue cleared
They're
off.
moving there.
That's because the driveway was plowed.
I mean the freeway. I'm looking up. Maybe you will go to the freeway when you're back.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back the freeway.
That car there in Midlothian, he got stuck. He's stuck.
Yeah.
Can't move. This high of snow, the snow high, and then you get a very low car, you will get stuck. The snow is so high.
Yeah, well, we'll see what it's like here. They didn't plow?
And South Up,
No, it's not plowed.
seriously, they don't do it.
Mm-mm.
What's wrong with them?
They didn't plow.
No government workers?
They did not plow. Isn't that something?
Yeah, what's wrong?
See, this is where cars drove. And the more they drive on this, the more it'll be okay. I can feel it when I get to high snow. I can feel the pull on the car.
Yeah, they don't plow.
No, because it wouldn't be like this. It would be, there would be snow, but not like this. 5:36. We're doing okay. I'm only driving 25 miles an hour.
Snowplow and Aldio. So far, we got 2 cars. And we seen 2 cars here oncoming traffic. You know,
Yeah.
one
But there's,
car on white.
see, there's
one
2 or
truck.
3 cars there.
Yeah. still calming down, pal.
I wonder, I'm trying to think how much I owe this truck.
This truck. You can check today.
Yeah. I'll know when I do the bookwork.
$294.
Yeah, we're $297 at Sam's. They got something trying to plow the. Is this guy waiting at the red light?
Yeah.
What? It's miserable. Is he going straight or is he turning left? Oh, we don't have to wait at the red light. Just drive straight through this way.
Your one truck there, nothing in this side.
Yeah.
Supposedly this time in that intersection is busy now. They don't go out.
Boy, nothing's plowed. Jeez, man. See that thing right there, that tractor? They got a brush. It's a brush.
Is he up?
Yeah, see what it does? It's a real heavy-duty brush. You know the broom I use on the deck?
Mm-hmm.
It's got stuff like that, but it's thicker.
We're okay, right? I mean, you're driving.
How about?
I mean,
Have we
you
got
don't-
stuck yet?
You don't feel any. No.
Well, I feel resistance, but it's not bad. We turned over to 171,000 miles.
Where's our buddy is not here. The 6149.
This side here, just in case.
Baba na?
Huh?
Our buddy is not here.
What do you mean, our buddy?
The 6149.
Oh, buddy.
Our buddy.
Yeah, I can feel the resistance sometime. You'll feel the truck slow down a little bit. Yeah, I'm only doing 25 miles an hour, 26 miles an hour. See, he's plowing that lot.
So bro.
Yeah.
26 degree here. 26.
Yeah.
33 in here within our area now.
Yeah.
Our buddy did not show up.
Is this a car?
Truck.
No, it's
No,
not
it's
a truck.
Car. It's a car.
Yeah.
It's a Jeep.
Is it?
Yeah.
Somebody behind us. That's another truck, it looks like, with these big bright lights. Stupid ass thinks he needs all the bright lights. Yeah, I'm not coming home this way. This way's full of shit. I'm wondering if they're gonna have you work. Yep, 20 minutes. See, I told you, now the car, I don't know. We might have a little problem, but I think it still would get through. But the thing about the truck is it's high, it's heavy, and it's got four-wheel drive. You know, that's why I'm glad we have this.
Today is the ISO audit.
What?
The ISO audit today. You know, it is external quality audit.
External
Yeah,
quality
audit
I mean, at work.
at work. People come from our, from this
Okay. It's quality control
quality control.
inspectors.
Yeah.
Yeah. You watch, there probably will be some people at work.
But don't go fast. Don't go.
I'm not
fast.
going fast.
I mean home back.
Oh, no.
Wait for me then.
No.
2 minutes.
I'll drive a little faster than this because I think the freeway's going to be cleaned off. I'm thinking.
Yeah, because
But somebody sent me a text.
it's hard to see, up ahead ba?
Huh? Texas early in the morning.
Maybe for me, because we used your number at work, right?
Yeah.
Now what happened to this car? It got stuck.
Mm-hmm.
Oh Lord, it got stuck.
Oh, there's another one.
It's hard budget to car, especially they are low.
Huh?
They are low. The
Well, they're
cars are
low, they're light.
Yeah, 2 of them stuck.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'll be surprised. But,
And I feel like nobody work. Only us are brave enough to go out.
and don't worry, Papa, I'll be all right.
Yeah.
Looks like you got it here. I'm thinking there's a possibility. Jeez. It's a good thing there's no cars coming, because I would have to go over a little bit. Yeah. See it, I get resistance when I get over a little bit.
Now that cars there, hopefully they can move.
I just stay here. I'll come back. Jeez.
Somebody gets screwed up there.
Yeah.
You can tell with the tire tracks.
Well, you're not starting real early. Look, it's 5:47. Now we'll see if there's any tracks down your road. Ah, there's cars.
There's cars.
Yeah. Yep, see? There's tracks. No. Oh, yeah, it might be the snowplow. We'll see. Oh, there's lights on. See how high they make it? Oh, that's snow plows. Bubba, there's no lights on it. Parking lot's empty.
Yeah.
So we'll wait.
You know where to wait out?
Oh, there's one car.
Oh no. 2 cars here, 2 snowplow. Ah, nobody work.
Is there people in there?
No.
There's lights on. Okay, see if you can go in. See if you can get in
There's one there.
and see what they're gonna do.
He said, Baba, he will see if how many people showed up because he's been there since 2:30.
Really?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do?
I will wait. We'll wait until 6 o'clock and then I will ask him. He said, I will come in back. He said, we will see if somebody else showed up because nobody's there. He's by himself.
This thing won't go on.
Maybe because it's so cold. He said, Baba, oh, somebody made it.
Who is he?
He's the one that, I don't know his name, but he's the one born on the line.
Oh, okay.
He's the one that came walking from the company.
10 minutes.
Yeah, are you okay?
Yeah.